Pakinggan mo yung... Ha?
What?
Pag nagsusmoke ka ng weed, maganda na pakinggan mo yung kay Snoop Dogg, yung mga kanta niyang pang West Side, di ba? Oo, man. Pakinggan mo yun habang nagsusmoke ka sa banyo.
I don't smoke weed.
Nakahubad ka.
Episode?
Oo, yun.
I don't smoke weed.
Isipin mo yung vibe, man. Wow, fucking eating some fucking burrito.
I don't smoke weed, dog.
Shut the Krispy
Parang simula
Kreme, though.
next episode mo ba yung kantang yun? Next episode.
Hold up. Hey, hirap mo nga, big boy.
I don't smoke weed, bro.
Everybody. Not everybody.
Are you sure?
Smoke weed every day.
Everybody
know what it feels like to smoke.
Si Marge daw nag-smoke.
Sino?
Marge.
Sino Marge?
Tagal.
Si Marge ulit ang smoke ng weed?
Kaya?
I heard.
What's your opinion?
I mean, last Saturday she told me, "Oh shit, let's smoke some weed." I was like, "Oh shit, I don't have some." But right now I got some.
Call her up then.
I don't think she's up. Fuck that shit.
Fuck.
Sige mo rin ako rin. Gusto niyo pa, man?
Sige lang. Nasaan na yung sa akin?
It's right here, baby. It's right here. It's right here. I'm just kidding, dog.
Nabasa?
Wala ka.
Utang na lang sa mga pinunta. Nandiyan o, yung tabi ng...
Hindi, sa kay Boy yan eh.
Hindi, binigay sa akin ni Boy. Ito yung ano.
Inumin mo na, Ronnie ko.
Paano nawala yung sayo?
Baka nga ito, ano. Ay, hindi ka pa naman umiinom Boy, ano.
Oo nga, hindi nga uminom sa Boy, di ba?
Ito yung kay Boy, binigay sa akin.
Wow, dude. Drop it, please. Hold on.
Yeah, this is what guys do when there's no
Yung ano po?
lady.
Okay na ba ito?
Yeah.
Dagang ka pa.
Ayos lang yan.
Dagang ka pa.
Ito.
Bahala ka.
Fuck that shit.